I broke my tooth during a wing eating contest. So pretty much during the contest, I have no idea when it happened. I just know it happened, obviously. But I was trying to go as fast as possible and I ended up biting directly onto the bone. And whenever I tried to pull the wing, I ended up chipping my tooth. And I don't know exactly when it happened. I just know I ended up chewing on something and it was extra crunchy, and it was not the bone, not the cartilage. It was in fact the tooth, or the part of my tooth that I chipped off. Ended up swallowing the tooth. I have no idea when it came out to this point. But for the next couple of weeks, guys, just know I'm gonna have a chipped tooth. So if I look a little bit funny,